The Saigon Central Post Office is one of the most iconic tourist destinations in Ho Chi Minh City, with charming colonial architecture and ornate decorations forming the backdrop for newlywed photo shoots, school trips, and city tours. Moreover, it is a beautiful remnant of Vietnam's complicated past. If you are looking to mail a postcard home or simply admire the architecture of a bygone era, this is definitely the place to do it. Located right in the center of Ho Chi Minh City, a book road named Nguyễn Văn Bình stretches 100 meters from Hai Ba Trưng Street to Notre Dame Cathedral, not only an attraction for book lovers, but also a fascinating place to visit. If you are a book lover, the book streets will be a place you cannot ignore when traveling to Saigon. Come here and immerse yourself in a peaceful, relaxed space between hustle and bustle Saigon. Surely you will have a very enjoyable experience. Measuring almost 60 meters in height, the cathedral's distinctive neo-Romanesque features include the all-red bridge facades, which were imported from Marseille, stained glass windows, two bell towers containing 6 bronze bells that still ring to this day, and a peaceful garden setting in the middle of downtown Ho Chi Minh City District 1. Saigon Municipal Opera House is an example of French colonial architecture in Vietnam. Built in 1897 by French architect Henri Ferret as the Opera de Saigon, the fine rustic building was used as the home of the Lower House Assembly of South Vietnam after 1956. It was not until 1975 that it was again used as a theater and restored in 1995.